Crystal and MrsHappyHomemaker.com here, and today we're having ribs for dinner. And it's November and it's cold outside, so I'm not gonna go outside and fire up that grill. There is no way. Me and the cold, we don't mix. So instead, I'm gonna stay inside where it's nice and warm and toasty with my slippers on my feet. Can you see those? Yes, I might have a pretty dress on, but y'all, all behind the scenes, it's just slippers. Warm and toasty slippers. Anyhow, so we're having ribs tonight, and I'm gonna cook them in my oven, low and slow, and they're gonna be just as good, if not better, than anything you cook on your grill. Let me show you how easy this is. So I have 2 racks baby back ribs on a tinfoil lined baking sheet, and you don't have to have 2 slabs. You can just use 1 if you like to. I'm gonna feed the whole family, so I've got 2 of them going, and I'm gonna sprinkle it on both sides with just store-bought barbecue seasoning. Today I've actually got some Tuffy Stone barbecue seasoning. And so I'm gonna sprinkle it liberally on both sides. I'm gonna rub it all in there. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Yeah. So I've got my racks of baby back ribs, and they have all been rubbed down nice and well with all that seasoning, coated on front and back and all sides, y'all. You want to liberally coat it everywhere. And I'm just gonna take some good old tin foil and make me a layer on top to seal it all in. And I have my oven preheated at 300 degrees. And I'm gonna make sure that this is nice and tightly wrapped up on the edges, nice and sealed. And I'm gonna put this at 300 degrees for 3 hours. So after the ribs have cooked for 3 hours on 300 degrees, I take them out of the oven and put some barbecue sauce on top. Now you can use homemade or you can buy store-bought. Today I have used store-bought. Sweet Baby Ray's is my favorite store-bought barbecue sauce out there. And you slather that sauce on top of it. Put it back in the oven on broil and let it cook for about 5-6 minutes, just until the sauce has got nice and toasty on top of the ribs. Look at this. Yum. Y'all see that? Here we go. That's good. The bones come out clean. They are super tender. You see that rib pull one more time? Look at that, you guys. Does that not look good?